Le devoir. Devoir is my homework. Clear? And for example, we are using one verb over here, montrer. Montrer is my
Montrer.
verb to show.
So,
Répétez après moi. Montrer
Montre
is my
Montrer.
verb to show. Is it
to
clear?
show. Montre is my verb to show.
Show. Clear?
Yes,
I ask you, show me your exercise. Show me. Repeat after me. Montrez-moi.
Montrez-moi.
Moi is me. Show.
M-O-I-A.
Montrez-moi your. Your is votre.
Votre
Votre devoir. Devoir, we have your
devoir.
homework. I say, show me your work, please. Montrez-moi votre devoir.
Devoir.
Montrez-moi votre devoir.
Devoir, we have homework, exercise, whatever we have done. So, if I ask you, show me your exercise, montrez-moi votre devoir. Is it clear to you, team?
Montrez-moi
Yes.
votre devoir.
Now, if I ask you, hello, please, please say what the devoir. This is your homework. So, things which we do in the classroom. Now, for example, I will say, guys, please collect the papers. Ramasse. Répétez après moi, ramasser
Ramasser.
Ramasser.
les devoirs. See, above
Les
what is
devoirs.
devoir?
Les
Hello.
devoirs.
This is the sense of the language. Basically, paper we have papier. Paper
Yes.
we have papier. But I'm asking over here, hello, collect the paper, please. Now, for example, you're sitting in examination and collect your paper. It will collect your work, please. Team, today we are learning the sense of the language. C'est votre sens d'autre langage. This is the sense of the language. Ramassez les devoirs, montrez-moi votre devoir. If I ask you, show me exercise, please. See, for example, in English, exercise, we have the moment you join gym, right? You do exercise daily. And one exercise, your exercise workbook. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So sense
Oui.
of language. The same in French also. So over here, we have to understand. Répétez après moi, montrez-moi votre devoir.
Montrez-moi votre devoir.
Ramassez les devoirs. Collect the
Ramasser les devoirs.
Les devoirs.
Sir, ramasser matlab?
to pick up, to collect. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Ramasse les devoirs.
If I say correct the mistakes, please. Correct. Pen down, please, in English. Correct. We have corriger. Répétez après moi. Corriger. Corriger
Corriger.
les fautes. Les fautes. Les fautes, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre mistake. Les fautes.
Yes.
Corriger les fautes.
Corriger les fautes.
Repeat after me. Corriger les fautes.
Corriger les fautes.
Is it clear to you? Now we have Ilya. Ilya means there is and there are. Ilya.
Elia.
Literally meaning of Ilya is there is and there are. If you will say there is no mistakes. Now there is no. So what is negation? Team, if you're saying there is no mistake, no. What is my negation in French? Basically, ne pas is my negation in French. What is my negation in French? Répétez après moi. Ne pas. Is it clear to you? There is no. Team, one thing you have to understand. See, for example, if I will say parler, is my verb to speak.
Je
If I will say I do not speak, how to apply negation in Spanish? Sorry, in French.
N'est pas.
Ne pas. But between ne pas, we have a verb which is parle. That's
Ne
a
pas
rule
pas.
of French language. Ne pas is my negation, but between ne
Ne
and
pas pas.
negation, so je ne parle pas.
Je ne parle pas.
Je
Same
ne
over,
pas.
same thing over here. There is no mistake. I will say il
Il
n'y a
n'y a
pas.
pas.
Why il n'y a pas? Because ne pas is my negation, and why we count as vowel in French. Why?
Yes.
C'est les voyelles. Why we count as vowel in French? So whenever you have two vowels, one will eliminate and it would be like a apostrophe. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Il n'y a pas. We have over here we are counting a verb. So verb will come between na and pa. Il n'y a pas the fourth. There is
Il n'y
no
a pas de faute.
fourth, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre mistake. So il n'y a pas the fourth. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
So repeat after me. Il n'y a pas the fourth. Is it clear to you,
Il
team?
n'y a pas de
Il
faute.
n'y a pas de
Il n'y a
faute.
pas de faute.
Exactly. Clear, team? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have underline that word. Underline. If I'll say, please underline this. Souligner. Souligner is my verb to underline. Souligner. Hello.
Souligner is my verb
हाँ, एक सेकंड
to underline.
एक सेकंड souligner. Répétez après moi. Souligner is my verb to
Souligner.
highlight. जब किसी चीज को
Souligner.
highlight करते हो, you know, highlight the case, highlight the issue, underline the words. Souligner. Is it clear to you? Underline, highlight. See, souligner verb we use in a lot of senses. You have to alert the situation. Say clear, souligner, highlight.
Sir,
हाँ
sorry sir. Sir, fourth का मतलब क्या था? Meaning?
mistake.
Mistake. Il n'a pas de faute.
There is no mistake because Ilya is there, isn't there are. So il n'y a pas the faute. There is no
Okay.
mistake. Is it clear to you?
Thanks. Yes,
Il
sir.
n'y a pas the faute. There is no mistake. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Il n'y a
Yes, sir.
pas the faute.
Yes.
There is no mistake. Souligner is my verb to highlight. So if I say underline that word, if I will say underline that word, souligner, répétez après moi, souligner ce mot. Mot we
Souligner ce mot.
Mot. Mot is my word, akshar. Sa is my this. Underline this word, souligner ce mot. Mo is my word, akshar. Is it clear to you, team?
Sir
Yes,
is
sir.
masculine, sir, right?
Yes. Souligner ce mot.
Come on.
Say clear, underline that word. If I will just spell that word, if I ask you spell that word. Apple. Apple, we have vocab to spell. Apple. Apple ce mot. Spell that word. Répétez après moi. Apple ce mot. Spell that word.
A place.
Place some.
A place. Some.
Is it clear to you,
Ce
team?
mot.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, team, we have a word which is como. Now, como is my verb is my vocab word for how, what. If I ask you, how do you spell it? Now, for example, you say, my name is Rohan. I will say, can you spell your name, please? So what I can say, appelez, s'il vous plaît. Appelez, s'il vous plaît. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Appeler, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. Appeler.
Appeler, s'il vous plaît.
Play.
Is it clear to you? If I ask
Yes,
you,
sir.
we have verb écrire, very important.
Right.
Écrire
To
is
write.
Écrit.
my verb to write.
To write. Play is my verb to write.
It is very important to understand the verb's conjugation. Now, over here we have écrire. Repeat after me. Écrire
Agree.
is my verb to write.
Agree.
The moment I want to conjugate the word with, I write, you write, he, she writes, what I can do, right? So repeat after me. J'écris, let me write it down. J'écris is to I write.
J'écris is to I write.
J'écris is not écrire. J'écris because
J'écris.
full verb. Écrire is my full verb, right? So
Yes.
over here we have a conjugation. So repeat after me. J'écris is to I write. Rohan, this is
J'écris.
the conjugation of present tense. That's a rule. Écrire is my full verb to write. See, the moment I want to conjugate the word, for example, I have to conjugate with I write, you write, I have to remove RE from the end because
Yes.
I have to eliminate the ending. Say Claire. And we have to apply see, sometimes we do not have the formula of some verbs. So repeat after me. If écrit is my full verb to write, if I will say I write, that is j'écris. If I will say
J'écris.
you write, that is tu écris.
Tu écris.
Elle écrit.
Elle écrit.
Nous écrivons.
Nous
Nous écrivons.
écrivons.
Vous écrivez.
Vous
Vous
écrivez.
écrivez.
Elles écrivent.
Elles écrivent.
Is it clear to you?
Yes,
If I
sir.
ask you, how do you write? If I ask you, for example, how do you write? Comment?
Comment?
Comment t'écris? Now, how do you write? Comment? How do you write this? Comment
Vous
t'écris?
écrivez.
Comment écrit?
Comment? Now, for example, if I asking you write, comment tu écris? How do you write?
Tu
Comment tu
écris.
écris? Now,
Comment
for example, if I can say that word is written, for example, see, these are very important phrases. That word is written. Samo, that word, samo, c'est clair? Samo s'écrit. Répétez après moi. Samo,
Comment s'écrit?
that word is written. What is the meaning of this word? Répétez après moi. Que signifie? Répétez après moi. Que
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 signifie?
signifie is signify. Que
Que
signifie.
signifie? Que signifie?
What is the meaning of this word? You say que signifie samo. Que
Que
si-
signifie?
that signify what signify
What
this?
is this?
Que signifie that samo.
This word.
It's very important team. Team ये बहुत important phrases है हमारे. Very important phrases we have. Que signifie samo. What is the meaning of this word? Que signifie samo. C'est clair. If you
Oui.
say, how do you say in French? Now, for example, there's any word. You say, sir, how do you say this thing in French? So, how is comment? Comment? Have you done these verb?
Yes, sir.
These
To tell.
verb to tell is to say.
Yes.
So repeat after me. Jadi is to I tell. Tuesday.
Jeudi is to write.
Rohan, is it clear?
Tuesday is to
Yes, sir.
Il is to he she tells. No this.
EIT.
LLD. Nous disons.
Who this say?
Nous disons. LLDs.
LLDs. I'm saying over here, como, how? Como di. ton en français.
Comment dit-on en français?
Now, if I'm saying how one say in French, comment dit on? On basically we use for individual. On. One can do like that, one can do like that, one can, that is one individual. So how one say in French, it means how do you say in French? Comment dit-on français? Répétez après moi. Comment dit-on français?
Comment dit-on en français?
Comment dit-on en français? Répétez après moi. Comment dit-on?
Comment dit-on en français?
Is it clear to you, team? Here, these are the very important expressions and the phrases of the word. Comment dit-on no français? Répétez après moi.
français.
Now, if I ask you, what is the English word for? What? Quel? Quel is my word. Quel. Quel, what is? Quel est le mot, the word. What is the word? Quel est le mot anglais? Anglais, we have English.
English.
Quel est le mot anglais pour? Quel est le mot anglais pour? What is the, if I'm saying, what is the English word for? Quel est le mot anglais pour? What?
Quel est le mot anglais pour?
Quel est le mot anglais pour? What is the English word for? Quel est le mot anglais pour? What is it right? I'm asking to you, is it right? Say Claire.
C'est clair.
Say Claire. Is it clear to you? I can say c'est clair, c'est bien. C'est bien.
C'est bien.
C'est bien. C'est clair. Either I can say it's a correct. A.
Is
Correct.
correct.
Or either I can say ask, say correct. Ask. What is my ask team? Ask is my very beautiful phrase for a questionnaire. Questionnaire. Ask. Ask, say correct. Is that right? Ask, say.
Est-ce que c'est correct?
Ask, say correct. Is ask basically what is ask over here? Ask littéralement. एक second hold करना. एक second. Ask, say correct. Is that correct?
Est-ce que c'est correct?
Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Ask,
sir.
say correct. Is that correct? Ask. What is the meaning of ask over here, Rohan? Whenever I'm asking a question in terms of yes and no, is that right or not? Ask, say correct. Whenever I'm granting a permission, now for example, if I will say, may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? May I go to drink water? May I go for a water? बोलते हैं, right?
Yes, sir.
May I? I'm taking a permission in terms of yes and no. Ask.
Est-ce que
I can is what? Ask. Je peux entrer. Ask. Je peux entrer. Ask. Je peux entrer. May I come in, please? Ask. Je peux entrer. Repeat after me. Ask. Je peux.
Est-ce que je peux
je
entrer?
peux entrer?
Is it clear to you? If I'm
Yes,
saying
sir.
ask, je
Yes,
peux
sir.
entrer. May I? Ask, je peux entrer.
Est-ce que
Is it
je
clear?
peux entrer?
Répétez après moi. Ask,
Est-ce que
je peux.
je peux
एक second hold करना please. एक second, हाँ? Est-ce que je peux boire de l'eau?
Est-ce que je peux boire de l'eau?
It means I'm saying I can drink. See, je peux boire. I can drink. Boire is my verb to drink.
Yes, sir.
Boire is my verb to drink. L'eau. Oh. Oh, we have
Water.
water in French. So,
Yes.
est-ce que je peux boire de l'eau? Répétez après moi. Est-ce que je peux entrer? Est-ce que je peux boire de l'eau? Répétez après moi.
Est-ce que je peux
Est-ce que je peux
entrer?
entrer? Est-ce que je peux boire de l'eau?
Est-ce que
Yes,
je
may
peux boire
I
de
can
l'eau?
drink water. Est-ce que je peux boire de l'eau? Est-ce que je peux entrer? Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
Clear हो रहा है
sir.
आपको? Clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Est-ce que je peux entrer? Est-ce que je peux boire de l'eau?
Est-ce que je peux entrer?
Now we will enter in a very beautiful pattern. Now, for example, I will say Sanepa, correct? Répétez après moi. Sanepa, correct?
Sanepa, correct.
You have to use this. Sanepa, correct? It means, is it not right?
Correct.
It is wrong. Well, it is wrong. Sanepa, correct? It means it is not correct.
Correct.
See, if you're saying it is not right, Sanepa, have you done Rohan at verb?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Je suis tué, il, elle, est. So, Sanepa, correct? Is it wrong? It is not right. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, you are writing something and I will say, oh, you miss S. Now, for example, you're writing anything, secondary. And in writing, you miss S, right? I will say, oh, there is an S missing. I can say, il manque. Manquer is my verb to miss. Manquer is my verb to miss. I can say, il manque. Il manque un S. There's a missing of S. Il manque un. We have a. You know, A and the a. Il manque un S. Is it clear to you? Clear already? And I will say,
Yes, sir.
you have to add S. You should add S. So repeat after me. Il faudrait. Repeat, team, ये बहुत important है. Il faudrait. Faudrait.
Il faudrait.
Verb to, you know, it is to il faut. It is mandate to add S. It should be il faudrait. Repeat after me. Il faudrait.
Il faudrait.
Il faudrait.
Faudrait is a very important verb. Faudrait. We have a falloir.
Faudrait.
We have verb
Sir,
falloir. एक सेकंड में आता
sir,
हूँ.
can you
Falloir.
एक सेकंड प्लीज. Falloir is my verb to must, obligation, falloir. So if I'm saying il faudrait acheter, there must add s. S. Yes, tell me now.
sir, the verb use कर
The
सकते हैं
word is a very, yes, but we are working for a B1 and smart pattern, right?
Yes, yes.
So you say il faut, that's fine. But what is il faudrait? Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
The smart pattern which we're working for, right? So il faudrait acheter, il faudrait, because we have verb falloir. Falloir and devoir is my verb to must. We have done devoir verb. Rohan, have you done devoir verb?
Yes, sir.
So je dois, tu dois. So over
Yeah.
here we have falloir, which is we use in a B1 pattern. Il faudrait acheter. It means it has to be il faudrait. You should add. Il faudrait ajouter un S. It should be add S. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? If I will say conjugate the verb in present tense. Now I will speak in French. Now répétez après conjuguer. Répétez après moi. Conjuguer.
Conjugate.
Verb. Conjuguer. So verb. First
Savoir.
au présent. In,
Je savoir au présent.
is it clear to you?
Oui.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If I will say translate the sentence, one thing you have to understand, we have very important verb which is suivre. Suivre
Suivre.
is my verb to follow team. Suivre. Suivre is my verb to follow. Suivre. Répétez après moi, suivre. Team, repeat after me, suivre.
Suivre.
Verb to follow.
Suivre is my
And we
verb to
use the
follow.
sense of following also. I can say translate, transvise, transvise,
Transvise.
translate, transvise, translate,
Transvise.
Traduisez.
transvise les phrases suivantes, following. Transvise les phrases suivantes. Translate the following
Transvise les
sentence.
phrases suivantes.
Traduisez les phrases suivantes. Is it clear to you? It means
Yes, sir.
saying traduisez, translate, traduisez. Is it clear to you? Translate the following sentence, les suivantes, les phrases. Traduisez les phrases suivantes is translate the following phrase. Translate the following. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
If I will say to you, look up this word. Repeat after me. Look,
Look
up
this one.
word in the dictionary. Look up. We have search. Chercher. Chercher, we got to search. Chercher ce mot. Répétez après moi.
Chercher ce mot
Je suis ça, moi.
dans
We have in.
le
Don't basically we have inside. Chercher ce mot dans le
dictionnaire.
dictionnaire. Repeat after me. Dictionnaire. So repeat after me.
Dictionnaire.
Cherchez le mot dans le dictionnaire. Is it clear?
Cherchez ce mot dans la dictionnaire.
Dans le dictionnaire.
Now count how many phrases we have for the verb. Count the, because you know team, how you will do practice. You will do practice, you have to watch the recordings, you have to repeat the phrase so that you will come to know at least few things and you can speak out the language. Right? Cherchez ce mot dans le dictionnaire. Say Claire, and how many total lines we have? Phrases we have? Count the phrases, please. How many we have? Did you count, team?
Approximate 25 to 30.
Okay. Now, team, repeat after me. Repeat after moi. C'est beaucoup mieux. This is yes. C'est beaucoup. This is we. Yes. C'est beaucoup mieux. C'est beaucoup mieux is basically beaucoup is a lot of. Beaucoup is a lot of beaucoup. And mieux is best. Mieux. Mieux is best. Say beaucoup mieux is it is much better. It is much better. Say beaucoup mieux. Say beaucoup mieux. Beaucoup is a lot of. Mieux is better and best. I can say beaucoup mieux. It is much better. Répétez après moi. C'est beaucoup mieux.
C'est beaucoup mieux.
The mieux au mieux. Repeat after me.
The mieux au mieux.
The mieux au mieux is very important. Say beaucoup mieux. The mieux au mieux is better and better. Team, you have to use these expressions. If you really want to speak, see, you know, in TEF section B task or that section B में TEF में we have to use this phrase. It's better that say beaucoup mieux, because over here we have to convince the examiner the mieux or mieux, better and better that. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir. Omia क्या था?
The mieux or mieux is the better and better. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, team, repeat after me. If I will say, now I will not use pronouns, please. I will say in French, prononcez s'il vous plaît. Because something now I will speak in French and you understand. Prononcez s'il vous plaît. Pronounce, please. Is it clear?
Nonsense, s'il vous plaît.
Parlez plus fort. Repeat after me. Parlez plus fort. And speak louder. Speak louder. Parlez plus lentement. Lentement, lentement. Répétez après moi. Lentement, lentement. Slowly and slowly. Lentement, lentement. Slowly and slowly. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Because serrez les lèvres. Serrez. Serrez les lèvres.
Serrez les lèvres.
लेफ्ट ई पे हमारा टीम साउंड आएगा ए का लेफ्ट ई पे हम लेफ्ट साइड पे लेके जाएंगे विंडो को लेफ्ट लेफ्ट बेसिकली लेफ्ट
Lèvres.
लेफ्ट बेसिकली वी हैव लिप्स लेफ्ट सरे ले लेफ्ट क्लोज योर लिप्स हम बोलते क्लोज योर लिप्स प्लीज सरे ले लेफ्ट रेपते après moi रेपते
Serrez les lèvres.
Yes, I'm saying répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Répétez.
Après moi.
Répétez après moi.
Après is after, moi is me. Répétez après moi. If I ask you, now I'm using est. Have you done est?
Répétez après moi.
Est, vous comprenez? Est,
Est-ce que vous comprenez?
comprenez. Now what is comprenez? Est.
To
I'm asking a
understand.
question in terms of yes and no. Do you understand? So team, we have verb comprendre. Comprendre is my verb to understand. Repeat after me. Comprendre.
Comprendre is my verb to understand.
So if I'm asking to you, est-ce que vous comprenez? So we have vous conjugation, right? Est-ce que
Yes.
you understand? Est-ce que vous comprenez? You will say oui. Why? Oui, je comprends. Je comprends. Je comprends is yes, I understand. If I can say no, I do not understand. Clear?
Non, je ne comprends pas.
Non, non, je ne comprends pas.
Je ne comprends pas.
Ok. Donnez-moi 2 minutes, d'accord? 1 second. Hello. Okay. Now we have oui, je comprends. C'est clair. Yes, I understand. Non, non, je ne comprends pas. Répétez après moi. Non,
Je ne comprends pas.
je ne comprends pas. No, I do not understand. Je ne. Now we have a negation, Rohan. Napa, we have a negation. And we have to insert a verb of comprendre, comprend. So basically, Rohan, one thing you have to understand, In case we have RE ending verb, right? Comprendre, we have full verb, which is RE ending verb. Clear, Rohan?
Yes, sir.
If the verb is ending from RE, we have a formula because we have to eliminate RE. Okay, we have to eliminate what RE and you to apply a formula, right? So what to say eliminate in French?
Sir,
Supprimer. Take second, please. Supprimer. Supprimer is my verb to eliminate, to delete. Supprimer. Now you will come to the vocabularies in supprimer. Repeat after me. Supprimer. Supprimer.
Supreme.
supreme,
Eradicate.
Supreme.
Repeat after me. Eradicate.
Radhike.
Is it clear to you, team? Yes, tell me.
Yes,
सर
sir.
वो जो सेंटेंस है वो je comprends और सर n'est pas correct parce que
हाँ वो बाय
il
मिस्टेक
manque
हो गए पता क्या टाइपिंग एरर हो जाता है ना बिकॉज वी आर टाइपिंग नोट वी आर राइटिंग व्हाइट बोर्ड क्लियर ओके
oui
there's a typing error sometimes na? Because we do further we are writing right so je comprends clear so je ne comprends pas I do not understand clear now over here we have comprendre arianic verb c'est clair now comprendre is my verb to understand. So, in case of I ending verb, c'est clair. Ici, nous avons la formulaire. Par exemple, S blank. Rohan, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
ONS, EZENT. So, if the verb is ending from RE, we have a formula. So, I can say, je comprends.
Je comprends.
It's why I understand. It is just you have to eliminate RE and you apply a formula. With Q, you have to apply S. With L, you do not apply S. It is je comprends. Il comprend, COMPRENT. Nous comprenons, ONS, EZNENT. C'est clair.
oui
We.
Clear? So now, je ne comprends pas. I do not understand. So now I will not speak in English. I will say, est-ce que vous comprenez? Est-ce que vous
oui
comprenez? Do you understand?
oui
We, yes, we. Je comprends. Yes, I understand. And no, 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 je ne comprends pas. I do not understand. Is it clear to you, team?
yes
Yes.
sir
Clear? Rohan, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, for example, have you done fair verb? Fair?
Je
Yes,
fais.
sir.
sir
Yes, it's my verb
We
to
are
do.
fair.
If I ask you, make a list of the word, because I will give you some project also, and I will say make a list of the words. Now, fact, une list, une the more. It means make a list of the words. Words we have more, MOTS. Fact is to make a list. You list the more. Fact, you list the more. Is it clear to you? If I will say prepare very carefully. Prepare, prepare, repete après moi. Prepare,
préparer
try is ready, okay?
préparer
Now repete après moi. Prepare,
Préparer.
soigneusement. Soigner is my verb to take care. Soigner. So basically we have verb soigner. But if I'm saying carefully, soigneusement. Soigneusement. Very important. Carefully. Soigneusement. Répétez après moi. Soigneusement. C'est quoi? So carefully. I'm saying préparez train. Train. If we have a graph. And हमारा सिंबल आएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो सिंबल लगाना टीम आप ओके
yes sir
सो प्रे पारे में आप प्रे ए साउंड देखो ना प्रे ए तो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड का सिग्नल जाएगा प्रे पारे ट्रे स्वाइनस्मो स्वाइनस्मो वी हैव केयरफुली स्वाइनस्मो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट we have verb swine repeat after me we have verb swine swine is my verb repeat after me swine is to
Swine.
swine very important finalismo so team if I asked you prepare it finalismo prepare it very carefully.
Face fineness.
All of you. Fact enlistamo. See that how you can learn, how can you can speak, you can speak aloud with the French language. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
One means
Is to take care. Is it clear to you?
Prepare stress one.
Swinesmo. Is it?
Minus one.
टीम समझ आ रहा है आपको सभी को?
Yes, sir.
हैवी तो नहीं हो रहा रोहन?
Yes, sir. It's a lot to processing.
preparing tres swanismo means
Prepare it very carefully.
okay.
Prepare tre swinesmo.
Swans.
Prepare it very carefully. अच्छा एक काम करना.
Prepare
Entire
swans.
session is under recording, right? What
Yes,
I
sir.
will do is मैं session heavy नहीं करता हूँ. What I will do is I will show the recording of this session. It is very, very, very important session if you really want to get a grip in the language. Rohan, what do you think?
Practice.
Yes. These things we use in a daily routine. Hello, prepare it very carefully. Make a list of the words. Close trying to
Prepare
work.
stress one is more.
Prepare it, finest, supprimate, delete, eradicate, eliminate. Right. So these are the expressions which we have done. So what you need to do is I'm going to share a recording with you. Today I will
Okay.
share Rohan two recording you already have, okay, and this one you will receive in the next couple of minutes, right? All of you will
Okay.
receive a recordings. You have to watch this recording again and again, especially for today's session. I'm saying
Okay, sir.
especially. What is especially? Surtout. That how you can learn the French. The French is not about, I will say, fair, fair verb, okay, but how to speak the language out, what to say, how to write the language. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you have to play a role with yourself in your house. Open the recording because recording is with you. The best part, you're getting a recording of the session. So open the recording and to speak and read aloud with the language. आपको क्या करना है? आपको रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ साथ बोलना है. Simple. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Surtout is especially. Surtout. Surtout is especially. Is it clear to you?
Especially.
Your face is
Is it clear to you? Clear? चलो. What I will do is मैं session heavy
Yes.
नहीं करता हूँ. आपको मैं recording, I am going to share a recording with you. Okay. So watch the recording again and again, and tomorrow I will ask something from these phrases. Is it clear to your team?
yes, sir.
ठीक है?
yes, sir.
Soigner. अब soigner is to take care. Is it clear to your team? Now, for example, chalo, if I ask you,
One is to take care.
of yourself. If I ask you, take care of yourself. Is it clear to you? So I can say प्रणय स्वादवो. एक phrase होता है हमारा प्रणय स्वादवो. अब मैं बता दूंगा वो कैसे करना है. चलो ये कल कराऊंगा.
प्रणय स्वादवो.
Yeah, प्रणय स्वाद. चलो we can make it tomorrow. Have you know आपको. ठीक है, चलो ये समझ आया टीम आपको? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Est-ce que vous comprenez?
Yes, sir.
Then say oui, je comprends. बोलो.
We should
Je comprends.
Okay, चलो. Au revoir, à bientôt. We'll meet you tomorrow then. Okay.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup,
Bientôt.
mister.